At Marsh Commercial, we understand that making a claim can be a stressful process. That's why our claims team is on hand to help you. Not sure what to do in the event of a claim? Here's a quick reminder. Step 1. Notify us as soon as you can. Call, email, or visit our website. Step 2. Come prepared. When you contact us, be sure to give us as much information as possible. This should include a description of the incident, key information like the date, time, and location, and any supporting documentation or evidence such as photos, proof of purchase, witnesses, or any third party's details. We know what's important to you, getting on with business, so we'll make the claims process as simple and swift as humanly possible. Upon informing us about your claim, a nominated claims expert will be assigned directly to you. They will manage your claim from start to finish, bringing in the right expertise at the right time to deliver the best outcome, keeping you up to date every step of the way. Our experienced claims advisors handle, prepare, and negotiate claims for businesses like yours on a daily basis. So expect something of real value. Insurance shouldn't be painful. After all, it's there to protect you, and we promise to be there when it matters most, on your side in the event of a claim. Say hello to helpful. If you need support with your claim, visit marshcommercial.co.uk/claims.